Kathmandu is city of natural fragrance. Why? So I can feel a good fragrance of these rose plants. Such a rose garden is in front of the TRIBHUVAN University library. See how many flowers are there, kitna flowers are there. So I can feel a good fragrance. That fragrance is of natural fragrance. So this natural fragrance you will never get in many places. There is city of fragrance in Nepal. That is GRASSE in France. That is due to perfume factories, not due to natural plants. So this is city of natural fragrance. So city of natural fragrance, Kathmandu is actually a city of natural fragrance due to the rose plants and other flowering plants and other flowers with fragrance. So city of, if you are planting more near Bagmati river, it will be more अच्छा आएगा. So city of natural fragrance. See how much plants are there, and this is actually Dr. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden. Dr. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden. Dr. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden. Dr. Zakir Hussain Rose Garden.